Start it. Start the recording. Start the recording. Start the recording. Alright, so I asked ChatGPT to write the code for my model. And fuck. Okay, let's go. Let's write it. Python code that models the cascade click process as described in my PDF. It implements the like probability is this of reaching position J is this exactly. Here Qi is the probability of, so O1 is 0, O2, O1 is 0, O1 is 1, O2 1 minus Q1 exactly. Probability of exiting at position I. If the user exits at position I, they do not check items at position I plus 1. So Q1, it's a number, but Qn is always 0. Clicking item pi j. Yes. Probability of C pi j equals 1 is Oj R pi j. Perfect. Probability of clicking multiple items are not independent. No, they're not independent. Where R pi j is the intrinsic relevance probability of click of examined. Expected number of clicks per item users. And simulation optional. In each session, we sample the user's behavior from top to bottom. Probability Qj, the user exits at position J. Any further. Otherwise, examines the term. Click it with clicks. It is probably R pi j. Potential continues to the next position. The user decides to exit at J as well. Below is an illustrative example with two functions. Computed expected for your PDF to calculate. No. Alright, it's not exactly what I know. What is R? Compute expected clicks. What about the categories? I have the categories here. Okay. J equals 0 while J less than N. NP.rand is less than QJ, break. Else, if NP.rand is less than RJ, which means it is relevant. User click plus 1, click per session that happened. That's a simple code, but okay. This is the relevance, and alright, so this is quite there. Can you? I can add it myself at this point. Can you add the part that based on the file we have two category of products, customers, have RA and RB. Extended example that incorporates the two categories that are on your PDF. The cascade model we have product categories A and B, the two type, a user type B equals A, user who wants product of type A, B, user of type A finds category A product highly relevant with product T and category B minimally relevant. The user of type B is reversed, but yeah, states that probability of RA equal given B equal A is greater than T equal T for mismatch types. Is T. We'll assume for simplicity B equal A is P and exactly single ranking pi that contain all items. Store them in arrays, but you can reorder them arbitrarily. Below you'll see two main parts: expected number of clicks for a mixed population under the cascade model simulation that generates random user session. We want the simulation. And defining compute expected clicks into categories. Q array of exit probability. We want that category assignment. List of A and B for each item in rank order. P probability that random user is type A. T is 0.8, small t is 0.1 for match categories compute. I like that. And total number of clicks used for a mixed type A and B under the cascade model is from your PDF. Segment list initial tree is A or B specific which category belong to the position. No, I don't like J0 to N1. Okay. Don't index items from computer scientist from 0 to n minus 1. Instead do 1 to n. Don't fox, I'm not gonna listen to you anymore. We have nothing to talk about actually. One based indexing, I like that. Why you don't need one? One to n, we incorporate two product categories and two types of users, A or B, under the cascade model from your PDF, in particular QJ, probably the user reaches position J, that the user reaches position J, define O1 is 1, OJ is OJ minus 1, 1 minus Q OJ, J greater than 2, reassignment for each position J base 1 based. We store whether the item is in category A or B, user type, randomly chosen type A with probability P or type B with the relevance if the user type matches the item's category. The click is T. No, it's not T, but I can fix it myself. Otherwise, two main functions, compute expected, click two categories, one base. This is true. RJ about the clicking user type examines the item at position J. Simulate cascade session, two categories, one with generate random sessions, choose user type A or B, iterate from J round from to up to N. The user exists immediately, no further position. User examines item J. Why Q has length n plus 1? It doesn't need to. I fixed them myself. I want to n. Alright. N is Q minus 1. Alright. Probably you getting clicked is more complicated. Alright, yeah. P. Where is the category assignment? This part also I need to change it. Alright, fucking. Can you compute the probability of what happened? They are not independent. This item should get clicked, like OJ1, RJ1. And now, given that actually the probability of and other items are not clicked. That's the thing. So it says, okay, that was very simplifying. That was kind of truth, right, and kind of wrong. So when you say item J is clicked, it just means clicked. It doesn't say if other items are clicked or not. But what is the probability of item J getting clicked while other are not getting clicked? You know, that's another thing. The exact set of click item under the cascade. Actually, I computed it last night. That's a good idea to check with probably QJ takes it immediately. Yeah, fucking. Exactly, okay, you understood what I mean. Mm-hmm. Oh, it can exit actually. Oh, okay, it cannot exit, alright. Yeah, that's a messy formula, exactly. So, that's nice actually. Okay, having the code is exact amazing. Alright, so we are gonna mix those two codes. That's what we wanna do. And I wanna do the zero-based indexing because it's far better now. Let's go over the code and compare it. So the part that we wanna change is so instead of capital T, we wanna have dynamic values of relevance because bigger. I mean, when we are above the threshold, we wanna compare items, but when we are below the threshold, we wanna just assume they're a small t. Type P, click on What is a category assignment? Oh, okay. Mhm. Autos Q? Oh, exit probability. P. Okay. That's true. Hmm. Okay. So I wanna look for a recursive formula that says, I don't know how recursive it is, more complicated than being recursive, but we wanna say if you have a probability of u given this categorization theta, what will be the probability of u uh, union with a new member u prime given theta? You know, is there a relationship? Is u prime, if u prime is, no, even if u prime is greater than all members of u, I think it's not that easy to write. Alright, let's see. Okay, I don't want them. Okay, this is the simulation part, number of sessions, category assignment, Q, etc. Well, we had them already. Category assignment. Can the code also compute something? User clicks is 0. So instead of this relevance probability, instead of t, we create two vectors, Ra and Rb. Every time I need to put them. Okay, I think it's much easier to. Can you add to the code how to compute you where you something Alright guys, I have to go. Come back quickly. Quickly. Mm-hmm. Why should we compute this? What is a start? Start. Oh, because this one doesn't work for like u. If what if u is the empty set, right? What is prod? What is prod? Product? For j in range start and end. No click up to j minus 1, then exiting it. Yes, that's I agree. Mm-hmm. So that was empty. So probability of subset, click zero base. Dude, this is U, subset U, R is the relevance. R is the relevance. Yes. R is the relevance. No. Can you do it under the multi? I like that. Yeah, give me the freedom to choose R1 and 2%. Function to simulate user session. Function to compute the exact probability that a given subset. Exactly, finally understood what I mean. Good job, ChatGPT. That's true. Alright. V. Alright. Well, yeah, why didn't you say V? Or For each session pieces of type 1 is probability P returns the cascade from 0. For a set of positions you work on. Okay. Alright, let's go check the code. What was it? Cobra, Python, Jupyter, Python, and Anaconda. Cobra. Let's see how it does. Import numpy as np from iteration import chain combinations. What are they for? To single type probability of exact subset of clicks. No click probability 0. 0 base start R and Q. That from position start up to n-1, there are no clicks. Alright. Okay, so it's a tail probability under the cascade model 0 base. RJ click probability at J, QJ. But you should make it R1, R2. Dumb GPT. last time. This time I'm just going to run the code myself. Dude, okay, ChatGPT is really dumb. Just here it says RARV, now it's again back to. It didn't remove this part. Alright, dumb fuck. Actually, this is bullshit. Alright. Alright, you cannot expect it to work for you too much. Why did you say single user type? Dumb. Okay, fuck this part. Alright, really, ChatGPT is very helpful, but not very helpful. Like, you cannot expect it to do all the job, but it does a big part of the job. I don't know, what are these tools? Iteration tools, import chain, combination, single, type, or exact subset. Len of R. From positions, there are no clicks. The cascade model 0, RJ, click probability at J, QJ. N is len of R. Okay. I think actually it doesn't matter. We can just return RA, or that's it enough, because we don't. Oh, we need RA. Start is greater than or equal and return 1. Yes. What is total partial prod? What is partial prod? Okay, it's 1. Pi from start to j minus 1. 1 minus q, 1 minus r. Doesn't include at rm at m, and then doesn't exceed and goes to the m plus 1. In range start to n. Probability of exit at position j equals partial product times qj, and we exit at qj. So we are gonna exit somewhere. We are gonna exit at the start, or we are gonna exit at up to n, at any position we can. Like, if we receive no click at the tail, it means that either we are exiting at one of these previous steps, or we went all the way to the end and then exited, but we didn't click. So that's the thing. That's the beauty of not clicking. Does it mean you found it irrelevant? Okay, it's similar to it. It's not exactly. Probability exit at j. All right. If j is less than n minus 1, update partial prod Partial prod is the multiplication, right? Exactly. For the next iteration, not exit, not click at J. Less than partial prod is what is partial prod? What does partial prod stand for? By the way? Product. Oh fuck, sorry. Partial product, alright. I don't want you to reason all the time. Can I switch the mode sometimes? Yes, I guess. Otherwise, what is the J equals n minus you exit. Means session ends after J anyways, pass. The scenario user never exits from start to n minus 1, clicks, never exits. Total is partial. Yet this doesn't include n, and total is equal total plus partial. Well, we have it here. What does that mean? Like, I've always J is less than n minus 1. I don't understand this part of the code, honestly. For J, from start, if start is greater than n or equal n, right? If start is n minus 1, what happens is that probability of exit at J minus 1 is 1. And Q n minus 1 is 1 also, so it's 1. Perfect. And total is 1, because total is 0 and none. If J is less than n minus 1, always J is less than n minus 1. Oh, you mean, what if J is n minus 1? That is true. I agree. Else means J is n minus 1. Exactly. Okay, exactly. If J is a partial prod, yeah, okay, I think it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it just, the last summation of this term is happening here. Okay. And we always want to set Qn minus 1 to 1. So let me add it here. Qn minus 1 is 1. I mean Qn. Fuck you, that's the problem. Fuck it, fuck you computer scientists. Probability of subset clicked 0 based URQ. I think here we don't. What is this? Probably that exactly the subset U of positions are clicked for a single user type with click for. Well, we don't want a single user type. Oh. Then it uses single user type as a function inside, right? Okay, makes sense. Alright. Genius. Actually, ChatGPT is genius. Yeah, it's writing the code very Modular. That's beautiful. I like it. So I was stupid. Probably exactly the subset U position case for a single user type of click probably R and it's Q R J Q J position J0 to N minus 1. Sorted. So what was U? Okay, U was the subset. U sorted is sorted of U. N equals len of R. What is N? Length of the, yes. And if len of U sorted is 0, it means no click. Just we use the start, not the start as 0. No click at L, use no click probably 0 from the position 0. Return no click 0 RQ. Dude, we are vibing. ChatGPT, we are understanding. Probability, then probability is 1. Pref click, what is pref click? Is minus 1. Position before the click is minus 1. First click is minus 1. I don't know. For position in U sorted, alright, from pref click plus 1 to position minus 1. So we are up to this position in U sorted. Alright, so if you remember, we had this U here actually. So U1 is clicked, this is clicked, 1, 3, 4 is clicked, right? And here it says, so 1 is clicked, for example. Pref position click is previous, probably. Before the first click is minus 1. So from pref click plus 1, which is 0, to position, which is 1 minus 1, 0. So from 0 to 0, must do not exit, not click. 1 minus Q and J, 1 minus R. Because it is the first one, so we got the click. For J in range, pref click plus 1, which is 0, to pose, which is 0. So this doesn't exist actually. This loop doesn't exist. Then at position, which is 0, must do not exit, yes click. Exactly, prob is relevance of that motherfucker times 1 minus Q not exit. And Q0 is wait, let me add this one too. Oh, we don't want to exit, exactly. We don't want to exit, so it's okay. 1 minus Q0. We are not exiting. We are there. We are going to the next position. And R1 per click is pose. Now we bring the position to the second one, which is 0. And from 0 to the second click, which is at position 3, we want to do the same thing. After the last click, from pref click plus 1 to n minus no clicks. Then we have no clicks. Probability of 0 base, pref click plus 1, which is 0 to R and Q. Not to R. What is R? We had start to up to n minus 1. Yeah, that's the problem. Oh wait, so he's saying we will have no click after. That's stupid. Wait a second, why? Oh, okay. So we sorted you 0, that's it. For pause in you sorted. Oh, for each element. Oh, we are looping on the clicks. Oh, okay. So the inner loop computes that, and then after each j, which is pause. Yeah, we are to the next pause. Then this is okay. This is from like the distance, the item, the positions between the two clicks, right? This is for the positions between the two clicks. We are not exiting, and we are not just I need to check for the last position in the U sorted. All right, we are not exiting and we are not clicking. We go there, we reach to the next position, and where do we update the previous click? Oh, okay, previous click becomes position exactly, and probability of 1 minus q pose. We are not exiting as the position. We click on the position. If we click on it, we may also exit. Who knows? Oh, okay. Unless it is the last one. All right. Now we are on the last position in U sorted. Oh, okay. It also covers that part. The last click from position to n minus 1. We get the no click. Beautiful. All right, ChatGPT, you are killing it. That's really amazing. Fucking amazing. This is amazing. Expected number of clicks. Definition computed. Expected click 2 user type 0 base R1 R2 QP. I don't know. Maybe the first time they invented coding or like Python, they had this. Oh, this is amazing too. Is ChatGPT the new amazing, or is it another level of amazing? I feel it's another level of amazing, to be honest. Expected clicks to user types 0 based R1 R2 QP. Array of click probability for type 1 user, array of click probability for type 2 user, Q array of exit probability shared by both user types, P probability that the user is type 1, and now we are using the now we want to use this all like single user type as a modular function for the 2 user type. Dude, we can have 3 meetings in a week actually. So from now on, it's all about supervision. I don't know. We definitely need creativity as well. But, okay, that's the thing. From now on, any new creativity is like so pure. Kind of, it feels like it is very pure. It's not synthetic, it's just you really are creating. Otherwise, ChatGPT can say, dude, that's amazing. Let's have a PhD. Let's do something that is just pure creativity. That's amazing. All right. I don't think, actually, I think all the last creativities are pure creativity too. At each time people use their tools at their time and like they exploited it, and anything new was a pure creativity. Fucking, it's fun though. I'm really happy. Anyways, expected total number of clicks under a mixture of user type 1 and 2 with their own relevance click array R1, R2, R1, R2, Q all of length n, 0 base, position 0 to n minus 1, user in type 1. N, len of Q, assert, len of R1. What does assert do? Len of 2. Exactly. I know, but I don't know what asserts mean. OJ. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT. Is it like a printing thing? Is it mathematically changes the length of them? Do if Lena is not oh, don't do reasoning, bro. Just sanity check. Alright, ensures you didn't accidentally. Alright, perfecto. Position J. ONP.once. Alright, again we compute this motherfucker extra clicks for type 1. P then P exactly. Simulation. Alright, beautiful. Let's take a sip of water. So big and too big. Too big. So big. You see the difference? It's so big. It's too big. Alright. So now we wanna do the simulation part. These users come, we have the probability. I wanna say which theta maximizes this. We want to talk about what is the theta that maximizes this utility. ChatGPT is turning to a monster, to be honest. We will depend on it heavily and we get flooded with ChatGPT, and then it relies on itself to learn how to do more do more reasoning, and then I don't know what happens. There should be some compiler version of ChatGPT that removes or simplifies the parts that ChatGPT used ChatGPT. Anyways. Alright, give me some breath. ChatGPT changes science forever. This is amazing. This is fucking amazing. This is beautiful. Alright. Hopefully, yeah, a lot of bullshits will go away. R1, R2 is not none. np.random.seed, random seed. And R2QP random.seed. My pocket is torn. Alright, let's go simulate num session under a 2-user type cascade model, 0-based R1J, R2J, click probabilities for type 1, type 2 diabetes. Yeah, maybe it is diabetes. At position J, and like it is the type of insulin they want to buy. Like for example, or the kind of diet, QJ. Exit QJ is death. Like you buy this, you eat this, you eat this, you eat this, and then die. Exit probability at position J. And P, probability user is type 1, else is type 2. User is type 1. What is user? Oh, okay. Yeah, P is the simplest thing in this code. Random seed is not non-random. What is random seed is not non. Random seed, random seed. Motherfucker, random seed. Where is random seed? Oh, okay. It is none. How should I value random seed? Motherfucker. Yeah, running the code. N is len of Q. Exactly. Alright, let me ask this. Let's see. Let me make it clear for myself. Let me turn it to what does random seed do? What should I assign to it when running the code? Do the random seed parameter used to control the randomness in C. Now the code behaves randomly every time you run it, producing different results in each execution. When is set to swing the chair and wait, no. Beautiful. Alright, so make sure it is reproducible. It's seeds. The seed is the same shit. Alright, and where was it? Oh, it's there. How does it work? And we're perfect. Alright. Len of R1 is n, okay, must be equal to n. Click per session, click positions. Alright, for just each number of sessions. Where is num sessions? Okay, here. Num sessions. Pick user type. User one if number r equal r1 if user type else is r2 exactly. Session clicks is 0. Session position clicks is empty. J is 0. J is less than n. Oh, this is crazy. Probability qj np.random.rand less than qj is less than qj break else qj. What is qj? So with probability qj we exit, so break. Alright, else we with probability rj we click rj. Session clicks +1 exactly. Session position click dot append j exactly. J is j +1. Click per session dot append is session clicks. Click per session dot append session clicks clicked position dot append. Well, session position clicked, we already added them. Session clicks. That's the number of session. Oh, it is just for the number of session for every user. It's giving us U and also number of click for each user. Alright, okay. Session click position. Okay, probability of exact subset of clicks, 2 types. I like this part. Demonstration. Wow, bro, fucking amazing. ChatGPT is, I mean, for me it's amazing because I don't want to get involved with the coding as much. Click 2 user type 0 based. I mean, for everybody it's amazing, to be honest. 2 user type 0 based U R1 R2 QP exactly. B subset U of position is clicked. Okay, the only people who are not like very happy with ChatGPT are like I heard like people who want to have like a real genuine human thing. ChatGPT is great for business to business or business. Somebody like wants something organic and art, or if you want to have a very efficient code that ChatGPT may not give you the highest efficiency in coding. I don't want that. Uh, Unless this fucking code runs like for hours and I cannot get the result. Alright, probably you type probably something. Two user type base category. Type 1, please exactly. And demonstration. If name is, I really like it. If name is, I mean, I need to fucking, I don't know, thanking ChatGPT, which is part of it for sure, definitely. But I also have to acknowledge and be grateful to all the people who did all these codings and put it available online so that ChatGPT can learn from them. Both of them are important. Alright, name me, geez, example with n equal 5 position. Alright, 0 to 4. Type 1 user has click property R1. Type 2 user has this. And Q is this. Exiting, probably it should be something increasing. Exactly. It just fucking understands better than P is 0.6. It's crazy that Google is staying behind, Apple, all of them are staying behind. Fucking Microsoft, fucking Bill Gates, bro. That's the dude. That's the user is type 1 with probably 0. Else type 2. I like Sam Altman. No homo. Expected number of clicks. Simulation, session. Ooh, 50,000 clicks, position, click. Dude, I ran this code and it generates an error. That would be fun as fuck. And is I subset 1, 3. Okay, just chain and its combination for the last part. Let's run this motherfucker. By the way, 50,000 is too fucking many. Just do it for 5. And length is 5, which is super random. But R1, okay, I want to change R1, R2. So I want to set, like, let's say T is 0. I'm setting my big T, and Qn minus 1 is 1. No, Qn minus 1, you should always be 1. And T is like 0.6, T is 0.01. Let's say that. Let's see what happens. And my list was this. theta is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are A. And let's go. Okay, so if 1 and 4 are A, so I want to set this like 0.8, this one 0.01, this one 0.01, this one 4 is, yeah, 0.06 is good, this one is 0.01. One other thing we may want to engage is, now that we have strong tools, we may want to do that. Well, actually, it is kind of intrinsic. What did I want to engage is that if a user does not find its own type of product, it may exit. Like it's like number 1 and number 4. So at number 2, number 3 may be tiring for user of type 1. And they may want to exit. You may on the other hand say, okay, just the fact that they are not seeing and this exit probability is accumulating, it is kind of modeled in the modeled in the model intrinsically. So this one I want to set it 0, 1. And I wanna set this one to like 0.9, who knows, and then this one 0.7, this one should be 0.1, and this one 0.6, right? And Q, exit probability, increases also. P is 0.6. Let's see. I don't believe in you. Per user 1.5, simulated average of clicks over 5 sessions. Interesting. Probably that position 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are not in the same category. 1 and 4 are A. 2, 3, and 5. Oh fuck. 1 and 3. Which one are 1 and 3? I need to check this U example, by the way. Yeah, I think U starts from 0, right? Where is U sorted? Sorted of U. Yeah, so 1 and 3, when U says 1 and 3, it means 1 is in B and 3, which is in A. They are different products, alright? Exactly clicked is very low, but if I make it 0 and 3, what will it be? So sum of the probability over all subsets is this, which is hugely big. Hugely big. Alright, total probability is 0. So I need to work on this part. But you see that, right? The probability that they all belong to the same category is much bigger. Alright, that's the sanity check part. Maybe there is some error in it. but maybe it's just mathematics. I mean, accumulation of error. It's a big difference though. So what if I say 0, 3, but we also by mistake click on 1? And 1. It's much less. You can see. Alright, perfect. Let me also make everything fucking 0 based. Otherwise, fuck it. In the code, everything is 0 based. So that's very low. But we don't want to compute this. Actually, this is the first part of the code. What we want to compute is that I tell you A is this. What is the probability that... Okay, that's not very difficult then. But we have a lot of users. All right, can we look at the user simulation? Click position, positions, clicks. Can you say clicks? No clicks. How can I? Run this cell. I see. So first one we just got 1 click, second click, and then like look at the positions. Wow, it's very fucking crazy. All right. So by the way, the probability is very low. It's like 0.003. So we need to, if you want to see those crazy sets that a user chooses another subset by mistake, we need to run like thousands of examples. The other one, what is the other one? Position clicked. Positions. Okay. So this one chose 0 and chose, the other one chose 3, the other one chose 1 and 2, which are the same category. The other one chose 2 and the other one chose 1 and 2. Alright, sounds beautiful. And then I wanna, what if instead of this we just make it 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. These parts are human being. We get intuition from running this exam. That's amazing. All right. This part. Is that done? Wow, the code is so fast, by the way. 1202. Yeah, it makes sense because I increase the probability of wrong click, so average number of clicks increases. Also, the probability of that bad set increases. Now, if I do like number of sessions like to 100, oh, that's so fucking fast, bro. So you can see that we have positions that there are 3 clicks. However, 3 clicks by itself, maybe they're all category B. We need to see. And run this one. So we have 02. Oh, 02 is actually wrong. 02 is the wrong decision. What we want is 01. Any subset of 01. Sorry, any subset of 03. And any subset of 1 to 4 works. So 1 to 4, 03. Sorry. 0, 3. The other one is 1, 2, and 4. So 0, 2, it's wrong. 3 is okay. 1, 2 is okay. 0, 2 is wrong. Like, made the wrong decision. But we don't know the type actually, by the way. We have seen 0, 2. But what if, for example, when we see 0, 2, what is the probability that maximizes? Is it okay. Similar. Alright, 1, 2. 1, 2 is okay. 3 is good. 3, 0 is 3, 0 is okay. 0, 1 is wrong. No click. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. That's a crazy. 0, 2, 3. Wrong. We don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, like all of them. It's beautiful. I love this code. And the next step we want to do, what is it? So we have A and B, by the way. So it is just the first part of the code. The second part of the code where we have data and we don't know those relevances. That's another thing I want to mention. We don't know the relevances, and what is the data? Data just tells us, data is this. We simulate this data. Well, actually we have data. I can create this data and say that's it. And based on this, try to come up with a data that works the best. However, I want to also mention that once we have a ranking already, we may not know that, there are 2 categories of products and we need to, like, comparing a shoes score with a socks score does not make sense, but we already did it. We already have a ranking. So we just want to say these 2 numbers are not comparable because this is shoe, this is socks. There are 2 units, different units. And we want to, what a fundamental. This problem is super fundamental and beautiful. I love this problem. It's philosophical. Alright, so the other one I want to mention was that, so what we observe in reality is these clicks. Are these clicks, like when we observe data, are these clicks suggestive of a data, of a category? However, I want to mention that before assuming this, alright, I want to write it like here. We have a pre-score, pre-score for the items of the list, which is not R1, R2, but it is R, and I want to say R pre, based on which we sorted our list. Because previously we were ignorant of the fact there are 2 as we did not know two categories exist. Now the question is, what is the relationship relationship of R3, R1, and R2? That's one question I have. Is it super important? I like to talk about it at least. Those lists are sorted based on quite a couple of scores, and that's it. If assuming the ranking is doing its best job. And what else? That's a good question. I have it alright. The other question is finding the theta that maximizes this shit. For finding that, so we simulated data. That is true. We have data simulated. Now we can store this data and come up with a second part of the algorithm that gets this data and says what is the theta that maximizes this. However, this time we should come up with a like encoder decoder action. Reverse code that finds theta and theta c. Definitely, I also want to know the opinion of my colleagues, what they think, what they did. There's so much room here. It's nice to have other formulas as well. We have an honor code. Bro, fucking what do you mean do not use any AI based tool? You do not base. They're stupid. They're like, don't use ChatGPT. Why not? Do you want your company be filled with people who cannot use ChatGPT? Or you don't want to use ChatGPT or any form of AI in your company anymore? What the fuck is wrong with you? If you're worried to use your code with OpenAI, then it's your privacy issue. Work on your privacy. Not just. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, what else do I want to say? Oh, I wanted to bring those formulas. Um, Alright, give me the Latin code for this part. Uh, Alright, that's beautiful. Alright, I wanna mention this. Where is this? Yeah, single user tag. Single user tag plus. Where are you, fucker? Damn. So in a sense, alright, we have our thoughts and everything, but a lot of our thoughts are just reorganizing the data in a way that gives us a good angle to find a new point that is missing. Alright. I think that's good. Why is it like this? Alright, let's play one round. No, fuck that. I'm gonna stop it here.